How to transfer crypto from Revolut to another wallet. Let's get started. So here's how you can send crypto or basically withdraw the crypto to another wallet or an external address. So first, you want to send the crypto. So go to the crypto on the bottom menu and then tap the send button. Choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to send and follow these steps. So first, select one of the already added compatible wallets or tap new to add a new address. You can also paste a new wallet address in the search bar to proceed and then enter the amount you want to send or withdraw and then tap send and then review the transfer and check the details and also the network and then tap send to confirm. Now, what you need to do next is check that the recipient address is accurate by starting with a small transaction amount. So don't withdraw everything first. So you must try a small amount or a small transaction amount before doing everything, before withdrawing or sending everything that you own. So because they cannot retrieve funds sent to an incorrect address or on a network not compatible with the address you select. So sending crypto can be reversed as well. So after confirming the transactions, you can cancel or reverse it. So even if the status of the transaction is pending. And take note, there are limits and fees of crypto withdrawals. So you can check them in your crypto withdrawal limits. If you go to the crypto, tap more, tap limits, and go to the sending limits. And that's how you can basically send or transfer crypto from your Revolut to another wallet address.